boys and girls. So today we are going to talk about how we recognize and use sometimes a difficult spelling pattern. So sometimes when I'm trying to figure out a word, I need to look and see, is there a pattern in that word that I know already? So let's look at this first set of words I have. Beach, peach, reach. What do you notice about those words? They all have what? They all have the each sound. They all have the E-A-C-H. What else do you notice about them? In there, it also has two vowels and two consonants with it. Let's look at this one. Faint, saint, paint. What vowel sounds do we hear in those words? That's right. I hear the ain't sound. Okay. When we look at that, you notice that it also has two vowels and two consonants together. Pound, sound, round. We hear the ound sound. That round. They each have also two vowels and two consonants that go with it. The oos, loose, goose, moose. We have the oos sound. And then we have sneeze, freeze, and breeze. And we see the ease sound. So right there, you see how these spelling patterns are a little more complex than just like our normal vowel teams like EA or OU. These are going to be more complex, and they're going to have two consonant and two vowels with them. So tomorrow we're going to take these vowel sounds and we are going to add more words to our list. But what I want you to notice is when you see different patterns, that you can use that in different words, and also it's in your spelling. So if you hear that vowel sound each in peach and I hear it in beach, well then I know I'm just going to change that beginning sound. So I just want to introduce you today that these more complex spelling patterns, and then as we go tomorrow, we're going to practice using these in and adding to this list by hearing those vowel sounds.